Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a post-Christmas tornado that has happened in our house. We have been away, we've had all sorts of friends and family around, and I had purposely left one day as a rest day so that I could catch up and clean up this mess. So let's get started. So the first thing, as always guys, you know when I'm cleaning, I always bring with me a garbage bag because that is the best place to start. It's super easy to just pick out anything that you don't need and that's going to be either going into the rubbish or the recycling. So that's what I'm doing first.
You make me smile, you're the solution.
One of my biggest tips about if you've had a birthday or Christmas especially is to start a bucket where you can keep the toys or the things that they've just got that are new, because inevitably they're going to be in and out of those things for a couple of days. And so before I even attempt to find them a home, I let them sit in the bucket, and then as they open things and use them, I'll find them a more permanent home. But it's great just to have a place to pop them till I'm ready. So guys, every single day, we only have one toilet in our house. So every day I clean our toilet. And because we have a toddler, I actually don't have a toilet brush at the moment because it freaks me out the thought of him touching anything. So I just use this mixture. It's actually a vinegar, rubbing alcohol, water blend that I use to disinfect the bathroom, and I do this every single day because there was a lot of people that use one bathroom and the thought of it getting disgusting freaks me out. So guys, what I'm doing just here is sorting through our reading craft box. We use it for homework during the school year, and I'm just putting away any craft activities they got for Christmas in there, as well as going through some of the new toys that we got for Christmas and opening them up for the kids. So as I mentioned before, we are having actually more family come the next day after I filmed this video, and so I just wanted to make sure that all the windows were clean because we would have all the blinds open to let all that natural light in, and so I'm just getting it done. It is like a constant battle, me versus the windows. Now I'm just moving on into our bedroom. We had actually gone away to see some family on Christmas Eve, and so I was just tidying up and putting away clothes which had just backed up a little bit from just 2 days and lots of holidays and swimming. So I'm just putting all the clothes away And also I'm going to make our bed because I washed all of our sheets.
Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do.
This cupboard is like the heart of my bedroom. It's where I do all the kids' hair in the morning, and it's where I do my makeup and get dressed because there's a mirror on that cupboard door. So it always gets a bit crazy, but it's quick and easy to clean up once a day.
What you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
Where you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me.
So this is actually the next day after we'd had all our friends and family around, and I decided, look, we've got a quick spot of time and I'm going to quickly pull down all of our Christmas decorations. And as you can see, the little ones are keen to help. So we are just pulling down our Christmas stuff and putting away all the decorations so that it's all done for the year.
Your heart, I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be there. You're the one that I need. Yeah, you make me feel like there's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to.
So one little tip I do have is that even though we're doing the bulk of the Christmas takedown today, I actually always keep what I call the Christmas lurking box, which is all those little Christmas things that you don't think about when you're putting away the tree and that sort of thing. So like Christmas cups or Christmas shirts and things like that. I just keep one small box out for a couple of weeks to make sure I catch any of those Christmas things, and then I put that small box with the rest of the stuff once I'm pretty sure I've got it all.
I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be there. I'll do it all for you.
So as you can see, we have one Christmas tree box, we have one moving box full of decorations, and aside from my little box that I keep for little odds and ends that I've forgotten, that's all of our Christmas stuff put away, and we just store that down in our garage.
Said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel. I know you will always be the one. Hold me. You will always be the one who knows me.
I hope you guys all had the very merriest Christmas, and we just want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching our videos and enjoying our content. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe if you're new here. We'd absolutely love to have you. Please let me know down in the comments how your holiday was, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
Waiting